morning, everybody. So today we are going to do some installation. I didn't put on makeup because I was in such a hurry, but that's how life is. All right, so this is what we are going to do. I'm just trying to open this gate up. All right, so that's what I do. All right, and then I plug this security so I can say anything. All right, so the plumber, we need to correct the plumber's mistake and make sure that whatever it is that we are doing is accurate. Okay, so that's what we are looking for. Okay, the
join the cable for the pipe pump.
Okay, all right, and this is what you did. You went through.
Yeah, maybe I joined the cable for them.
All right, to this side. All right. And now you are connecting it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to the filling station. I'll be back. Okay. Okay. That looks neat. Okay, let's come this way. All right. Oh, have you started it? Huh. Well, it's kind of like a...
No.
What?
You're from you see this one, the thread, the mouse spoils. Alright, the plumber come and chase it. I feel this one spoils.
Why don't you do it now?
You say they go someplace.
Oh, you are going somewhere.
Before you call me, so I just pretend.
Oh, I see. So you are going somewhere.
I was going to work before you called me.
I see. So we don't want you ghosting.
Unless you change that thing.
All right, unless you fix it.
Yeah, fix new one.
So the water is going to flow all this time?
No, we lock it.
Okay.
We lock it with it.
Yeah, please lock it then. Okay. All right. So say it what he should do so I can message him and tell him. Got it? Shit. All right. Okay. Oh, please come again. I wasn't recording. That's how life is. So there is a thread inside here.
That is
okay.
Stop-cork.
The stop-cork.
Here. That is for the stop-cork. You need to change the stop-cork here.
Okay. All right. What does it mean? You know the something. You said you know the fix inside.
And then the thread spoil.
Okay.
So have you seen this one? This one I've tightened.
Yes.
But this one is not tightened. That means the thread here is spoiled.
Okay.
So you need to replace it.
All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. One moment. Okay. Okay, Godfrey. This is it. To cap it. All right. So this is what the electrician did. Okay. All right. So he removed this and connected this cable, right? And then put some wall nails in it and connected it all the way up here, up to this wall, up to this. Okay. And here. So this is what they've done. Okay. And then they connected the pipes between the pump and the pipe, and here it is. Okay, so that's what they've done. Okay, and it's all right. So, and then the sink, the basin is still not solved. We have to connect the basin pipe all the way along the wall. Okay, and then here the basin wasn't fixed well. Okay, it's crooked, if you can see. And so, and then this one too is the hole right there. Okay, so it says that the thread is destroyed, so it has to be reinstalled. Okay, just like how this has been done here. Okay, and here the damage. Okay, and so far that's what it is. Okay, and they are done. Oh, it took like a few minutes. Okay, so everything is done, right?
Yes,
Everything's done. Okay, all right. I was recording it. Okay, all right. So there is your fee. All right, and to say thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, let me push this gate for the bike. Okay. All right. Bye. Thank you. All right. Oh goodness. Okay. And there he goes. Hi everybody. All right. So we are here. We are moving. Sorry about the sweat. But today we are moving and doing certain things, all right, to correct this garage situation here. Okay, all right. Let me show you something. So here is a footing for the steps. All right. So we will talk to Mr. Billy in a minute about his experience and how he got to be a mason. Okay, all right. You want me to see how you are doing it, right? Okay, all right.
That is the way you like it.
Yeah. How many blocks did you use? 10, you said.
I'm coming.
All right. There's another. Where did you get the soil?
Now this 2 blocks.
Where did you get the soil? From there. Okay. Another thing is for me here. From here. Yeah. How do we do it?
We'll plaster it and make it fine.
Because this footing is very, very problematic, if you know what I mean. So you are drenching it first, right?
So how it will sink.
Okay. Oh, so the sand will sink. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see where you got it from. Okay. So for how many minutes or?
Maybe we'll take about 5 minutes.
5 minutes for it to settle, and then you put the mortar in it. Okay. All right. And you are using the cement?
We are using the cement and
Oh.
the small.
So that means we will need more?
No, we will use the half to do it.
Okay. All right. And this. Whoa. Okay, this clay. All right. Okay. All right. the wind is picking up, so we will let them finish whatever, okay, and then we will go here, all right, and then we are good to go, all right. Here's what I'm talking about. You see here? Yeah. So I don't know.